Ready to grab your rainbow flag and get your pride on? Here's our list of the 25 best pride parades around the world for 2022. After 2 years of public restrictions, Pride has taken to the streets again with its yearly parades. Color, music, everyday people and celebrities coming together from different countries and cultures. A concertina, celebrating unity and togetherness, at a time when the world needs such peaceful and vibrant gatherings. Public parades started as early as April in Japan. Brazil recently combined theirs with the elections in the Vote with Pride's theme. Many parades continue across the globe into the early autumn. You can see what's happening in your part of the world in this global calendar below. Let's celebrate self-acceptance and unity.